No, goodbye heart. It's like they know. They know we hate them.
Alright, so we are on deck 7. And we're thinking this might not. It looks like a cabin, honey.
Oh, shoot.
There's a porthole for a secret deck, but.
Maybe it's on the side. I don't know if the ship has it, honestly.
Neither do I. Crew only. Crew only. Oh, so it's a handicap room, huh?
Okay, let's go down one.
Alright, so we're striking out so far. We've hit deck 8, deck 7. We're not sure if this one has the forward secret decks. I know it's on deck 9 because that's where the bridge is. You could go above the bridge, but we didn't know if they're the ones below. That's what we're on the hunt for. We'll be back. Alright, so now we're on deck 6 looking for the secret deck. And we see a door. Oh! Almost tripped on the threshold there. Way in the distance. We're not sure. Looks like it might say crew only. It's got a little thing on there. The anticipation. Just gotta stare at me until we get there. I can read it from here. It says come steps.
Okay.
Yep, no secret deck. Dang it. Next. Alright. Now, getting on the elevator, going to deck 9. You say, be careful. I think he's hiding ducks in the elevator. He's like, careful, there's ducks all in the elevator.
Oh.
And she was really happy. She's looking for him. Oh, it's nothing. Yeah, so. Might get a little breezy, a little noisy. Just walked out on Lido deck, deck 9, heading up to the secret deck up front. Alright.
We were here before.
Yeah, we were, but not while moving.
Okay.
So, this is deck 9 on the Miracle. Ooh, the front view. It's so pretty. Look at that. Look at that water, people. Very nice.
We are now sailing the Florida Strait about 60 nautical miles north of the coast of Cuba. Our position is latitude 23.7 degrees north, longitude 84.5 degrees west. The depth of the sea in this position is over 10,000 feet. Our present course is 019 degrees. We are traveling at the speed of 19 knots. From Grand Cayman, we have already covered 375 nautical miles. There are 250 nautical miles remaining to Tampa, where we expect to arrive as per our schedule. Tomorrow morning at 7 a.m., dock alongside Cruise Terminal, Pier number 3. Right now the wind is blowing from the southeast, speed between 10 to 15 knots. We have about smooth seas and 2 to 3 feet high waves coming in the same direction. Partly cloudy is the sky right now. No significant changes are expected during the day. The outside temperature is 76 degrees Fahrenheit.
Really?
The forecast for tomorrow. We expect a sunny day in Tampa, then high temperature in the lower 70s. And while we want everyone to have fun, we also want you to be safe. So this is my safety tip of the day. Please bring any spills to the attention of one of our crew members so we can quickly clean it up. Dear guests, on behalf of Carnival Cruise Line, myself, office staff and crew, we would like to say thank you. Thank you for choosing to sail on the Carnival Miracle. We all look forward to seeing you again on board of one of our friend ship, and I wish to all of you a safe and pleasant journey back tomorrow. Arrivederci.
This one is good also with Tangerine.
Thanks, Ariel.
Yeah, thank you. Here's what you like the problem with the storage, right? Yeah, there's a problem. A lot of storage.
Well, and it all depends on who gives you the best price.
There you go. All contract.
It's a business, you know.
It's all money.
Yep.
That's right.
Zero. That's the only zero. Really zero.
Yeah, most are 0.5 or less.
Yes. That's the only
Which
one.
this one's not bad. Like Corona makes one. It's the same thing. It's 0.5 or less, but it's actually it tastes like a good beer.
Just the haze also 0.5.
Oh, a fancy glass.
Hey,
Look at that.
come with fancy glass.
Wait, where's my sugar rim?
No, I don't use sugar rim. Nobody like it.
Okay.
Man knows what
False
You say you
advertising.
don't want a
You
sweet.
want to give me a card or is he paying for
Oh
it?
no.
Okay.
No. I don't think it's been 10 minutes. There we go.
You say you don't like sweet. That's why I don't put
All right,
more
I trust
sweet.
you.
Yeah, otherwise you're gonna...
You haven't done me wrong yet.
Yup.
All right, here. Taste test.
All right.
Fasting. Oh my god. Good morning, man.
Good morning.
Good afternoon. No, easy.
How are you guys? What you watching?
I have 3 bottles.
Yes,
I have 3 bottles.
All right.
Something else.
We got our pictures from Tom and Terry from the Family Feud Live. There's Chris. There's all of us as a team. I think that's the same photo. Look at us having a great time. Boo, boo, boo. Yes. It looks like I have sweaty pits there, but I don't. And there's me. Okay, we have a family. Ducky, Rammy, Froggy, Ellie, Doggy. What the frick is that? I have no idea.
Another duck.
Is that? It is a duck.
Maybe it's a goose.
Maybe it's a flamingo.
Like
It's definitely not a flamingo. We got all the animals. Yay! We got Mr. Slothy from Cherry on Top.
He's so cute. He's actually weighted. So you can like move him around. He just stays there. Boom. He's tired. He's awake. He's saying hi.
I'm gonna have to keep him.
Yeah, I think that might be a.
That's a keeper.
He does a cute face.
Oh, I snorted.
What I should say? My name.
Yes, say your
Hey,
name, where
my
you're from.
name is Indiana. I'm from Jamaica and I work with Carnival Miracle. It's a great experience. You know, we have the beautiful view. This is deck 9 open deck where we spend all of our days in the hot tub, all of those other stuff. You know, great love. Just come and enjoy yourself, and we're here for you. Oops.
You know this I'm saying?
This is our lesson to you. About a thing.
Alright, 'cause
Every little thing is gonna be alright. Every little thing is gonna be alright. Alright, we got a whole bunch of match game prizes.
It only cost us $900,000 in the casino.
Yeah, but like, look, we got, oh shoot, I dropped it. Okay, look, we got this hat. These are little tote bag backpacks. That's a tote bag. These are little shot glasses. How cute. Yeah.
Sticking with the grape?
Yes.
All right, so when we were getting on the boat, or when we were on the boat, people were still getting on the boat, and the gentleman, the photographer, was sitting on the terminal taking pictures of people walking on just before they got to the gangway. And he got bored, and he's just sitting there looking around. I was like, hey, just waving, saying hi, and he took a picture of me, and he's like, I got you. And then I was like, Liz, check out this. It just happened. And she came out. I was like, come outside, see if we can get his attention again. So sure enough, there you go. Yeah, we'll walk outside. And again, there was nobody coming in. We're like, hey! And he looked at us, and he walked halfway across the freaking entire terminal, took our picture, and then we tried to find it on the wall, and for some reason it didn't make it on the wall. So we went to the photo gallery tonight to find pictures, and we happened to bump into the manager, and we're like, hey, we had a gentleman taking a picture, and we explained the whole situation. He's like, oh, he breaks out his little tablet, goes to that day, knew exactly who it was. Good photo manager, by the way. And let us scroll through all the pictures he took. And lo and behold,
There we are.
there we are. And so it didn't print. They were on the bottom in different format or something for some reason. But yeah, and then here's the really weird part. So it is just after 7. Liz was packing, so I went down to get the picture because he had to reprint it for us. And as I'm walking through the hallways, I pull out my picture to look at. I'm like, that is so cool. The photographer who was that took the picture, he's like, oh, you got it. And I explained the whole situation to him. And I mean, what are the freaking odds of walking down? He has his photo set. Yeah. So, oh, wait, I'm sorry. I switch. If I do it this way, you're shorter. Sorry. So, I mean, odds all said and done, walking down the hallway, pull out the picture. We couldn't find the picture for the whole freaking cruise till earlier, and then the guy that took it, we found. And we'll put his photo in here. It just amazing. So, thank you. We appreciate it. And thank you, everybody. Bye.